For years, SSL has been treated as just another security feature, something you install once and forget about. But in 2026, that mindset is about to become a serious problem because SSL is no longer just security, it's becoming infrastructure. The internet is changing, not slowly, but fundamentally. In the past, security was something you added on top of your system, a firewall, an SSL certificate, maybe some monitoring tools. But today, that model no longer works because everything is connected. Websites, APIs, cloud services, and all of them depend on one thing, trust. And SSL is at the center of that trust. In 2026, SSL is no longer optional. Browsers enforce it, search engines prioritize it, users expect it. But more importantly, systems depend on it. Without SSL, your website isn't just less secure, it becomes unusable, blocked by browsers, flagged by security systems, and avoided by users. That's why SSL is no longer a feature, it's a requirement. To understand this shift, you need to think differently about SSL, not as a tool, but as infrastructure, just like electricity or internet connectivity itself. When it works, you don't notice it, but when it fails, everything stops. Websites go down, APIs stop responding, applications break, and business operations come to a halt. That's the real role of SSL in 2026. Now let's talk about business impact. Imagine your website suddenly showing not secure, or worse, completely inaccessible. What happens next? Your users leave, your conversions drop, your revenue disappears, and your brand loses trust. Not because of hackers, but because of something preventable. This is why companies today don't just install SSL, they manage it continuously. So what does this mean for you? It means SSL is no longer set and forget. You need visibility, you need automation, and you need control. Certificate monitoring, renewal management, security validation, all of this needs to be part of your system because in 2026, the companies that survive are the ones that treat security as infrastructure. The internet is evolving, and SSL is at the center of that evolution. It's no longer just about encryption, it's about trust, it's about availability, and it's about business continuity. If you're not treating SSL as infrastructure, you're already behind. And if you need help managing it properly, that's exactly what we do. Because in today's world, security isn't optional, it's foundational.